Do you want to become a legend in your own kitchen? I can help you get there with dirty dishes. Yeah, pots and pans. Because what you want to do after you put together a nice meal, spend time in the kitchen, is to come back in and clean stuff up. What happens when the pots and pans have so much stuff stuck to them? You don't want to scrape them at the sink and scrubbing. You also don't want to soak them overnight. Sure, that'll get everything off of there, but you want to see your dishes first thing in the morning? I have a better idea. It's also counterintuitive. All the stuff that's cooked on there, we're going to cook it some more. But there's a little more to it than that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some water in there, and we're going to pretty much be deglazing the pan, just like if you're making a sauce or a gravy. This is really important, and I'll tell you why. So here's what you do. You take some water, you got the pan nice and hot, it's cooking again, see the steam's coming up. And the water helps you scrape everything up, just like that. Oh, need a little more water? Got plenty. And look at that, everything's coming right up, so now it's going to be really easy just to go clean it. Take it off of there, take it off the heat, you're ready to go. It's that fast. Look at that. That'll just come right off, pop that right into the sink. And it's done. It's counterintuitive, but the dishwasher is actually the most important person in the kitchen. If the dishwasher doesn't come in, the chef or line cooks or anybody's going to jump in on the dish line and they're washing dishes that night. If the chef or line cook doesn't come in, you don't see the dishwasher over there doing stuff. So it really is a crucial part of the kitchen, just as it's a crucial part of your kitchen. So if this is going to make your life a little bit easier, I think this is a great technique to do. So if you like this, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to see you next time.